thank you so much for deciding to click and watch this video. So a big announcement, this bag will be hidden, not really, in this video. And if you find it, oops, do remember to like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below. Hashtag pink bag, hashtag so cute, hashtag subscribe. That would totally make my day. Okay, let's go on with the skit. Oh, this current drama is so touching. I know, right? Are you crying yet? I don't cry. Yeah, me too. I don't cry. Oh my god, they're breaking up. They're breaking up. Oh, they're so cute together though. Looks like I have a stiff upper lip. Oh my goodness. He's really leaving her. He's really leaving her. Oh, I can't do this. Who has a stiff upper lip now? Hope you guys found that pink bag. So if you haven't caught that up yet, the idiom for this video is a stiff upper lip. So what it means is you have a stiff upper lip if you can maintain control of your emotions and appear calm and determined in difficult circumstances. So examples of how to use these are, in sentences of course, are: I kept a stiff upper lip when I saw that bee. And the English are famous for their stiff upper lip. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Toodles!